If you get that message, sometimes you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere and you may not be able to move your vehicle. We will explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car. It could be almost any car guys. You have a problem where you get a warning such as your door is open but your door is closed, or door ajar but the door is closed guys, and you want to know what can cause the car to think that your door is open when it's actually closed. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. On some modern vehicles guys like BMWs, even Mercedes, if you have the door open warning, you practically cannot move your vehicle for safety, because it thinks like, let's say if you're in drive for automatic transmission, you open the door and you left the car in drive, it's going to automatically put it in park. That way your car will not take off without you guys, like we've seen some funny videos on the internet. So let's explain what can easily cause that. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On BMWs, we'll have more than 1000 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. You can see we got another one to work on here recently as well. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on that BMW. There are two different designs guys that we'll be talking about today. First, most modern vehicles will use that design, with some exceptions guys. Let's talk about that now. What detects that your door is open or closed on your car? Okay, on these newer vehicles with automatic transmissions, often guys, when it detects that you have an open door, it will put it in park, which is a great safety features. If you look guys on some older cars, or we've seen some Kias, Hyundais, things like that, you may have an extra door switch, okay, somewhere in the corner usually, and it's like a little round thing that's sticking out, and when the door closes it pushes it in, and that detects if the door is open or closed. If you have one of those, most likely it's either unplugged or it's a bad switch that you need to replace, which is super easy. Usually it's in with one screw, always guys, very easy, or most of the times. But now these new vehicles guys, okay, that switch is nowhere to be found, and it's actually part of the door lock actuator. We have the door lock actuator removed right here on this BMW. This is the door lock actuator, and inside guys you have a micro switch. That micro switch, what it does when your door closes, okay, let me go ahead and open it now because I have it in closed position. Okay, when your door closes, that thing will turn. You have a micro switch that will be activated, and it will tell the car computer, you can actually even hear the micro switch, okay, the door is in closed position. But if that micro switch, it's little bitty switch, fails guys, what will happen at that point? The car will think that your door is open when it's actually closed. So what you need to do on some of those, you can take them apart and replace the micro switch. But on others you have to replace the door lock actuator, like this one. This one is the one that you cannot practically take apart guys. Everything is sealed here, so one or another way it's practically non-fixable unless you start taking things apart, drilling holes and things like that guys. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. If you want to see how to replace door lock actuator, we have the video on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.